hasn't made it yet. She hasn't made it here yet. Where you going? Come back so you don't get stuck by, come back. I don't want you going over here. You might get stuck by, she's not in there, Bray Bray. Braylon, she's not there. Where is Miss Lerner? Where is Miss Lerner? Say it's hot out here.
Hot out there.
Mm-hmm.
I'll ring your bell.
Uh-oh, don't ring the bell. Wait. She's coming.
Nana.
There's Lerner. There's Miss Lerner.
Nana. Nana. Hi, Nana.
Say, I missed you.
Miss you.
I miss you too, girlie. Oh, look at this girl. Hi. I miss you too. You have fun with grandma? Look at those little red shoes. Your mom in these shoes.
That's her grandmother this time.
How you doing? Girl, everybody been asking about you. Like, when is Braylon coming back, huh? I said, she's coming. She's coming.